Hi everyone! Welcome to our one-digit subtraction quiz. You'll see each question on the screen and you'll have 5 seconds to guess the answer. Each correct answer gives you 1 point, so try to get them all right. If you need more time, you can pause the video while thinking. At the end, comment your total score below and tell us how you did. Let's begin and have fun learning subtraction together. Start with 6, count back 2. How many are left? Begin with 8, take away 3. What remains? Start with 5, count back 1, find the difference. Start with 9, subtract 4. How many fewer now? Start with 7, take away 5. What number is left? Start with 10, count back 7. How many remain? Begin with 8, subtract 6. What's the difference? Start with 9, count back 2. How many are fewer? Begin with 10, take away 9. What number remains? Start with 7, count back 3. What's left? Begin with 6, subtract 3. How many are left over? Start with 5, count back 2. What remains now? Begin with 4, take away 1. What number is fewer? Start with 9, count back 7. What number is left? Begin with 8, subtract 5. What remains at the end? Great job, everyone! Add up your points and comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math quizzes. See you in the next video.